Welcome to Smart Dollar Mindset, where we turn financial confusion into clarity. Today, we're diving deep into something that might not sound sexy, but it's the one habit that can completely change your life financially: budgeting. By the end of this video, you'll understand why budgeting is the key to wealth, and we'll give you step-by-step guidance on how to build a budget that works, even if you've never done one before. Let's break it all down, from mindset to method, and I'll share some personal and real-life examples to make it practical and exciting. What is budgeting really? Most people think budgeting is just tracking expenses or cutting coffee. That's not true. A budget is a plan for your money. It's telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Think of it like GPS for your financial life. Without a map, you get lost. With a budget, you have a path. Let's say you earn $3,000 a month. Without a plan, rent, food, entertainment, and random expenses can quickly eat up everything, and often more, leading to debt. But with a budget, you decide up front. Rent, $1,000. Food, $400. Transportation, $300. Savings, $500 to $500. Fun, $200. Everything else, $600. Now you're in control. You're proactive instead of reactive. Why budgeting is crucial. Let's break it down into 5 reasons budgeting is crucial. 1. Gives you control over your money. To take charge, start by creating a budget that assigns jobs to your income, ensuring every dollar works for your goals and aspirations. Assign each dollar a purpose. By allocating your money wisely, you regain control over your financial life, paving the way toward your ambitions. In doing so, you'll not only track your spending, but also foster a sense of accountability and empowerment with every financial decision you make. 2. Helps you avoid debt. By setting limits on your expenses, you regain control and make intentional choices, ensuring your financial future remains secure and within reach. This helps prevent financial stress. In conclusion, by practicing mindful budgeting, you not only avoid the pitfalls of reckless spending, but also pave the way for a healthier financial life, ultimately leading to greater peace of mind and stability in your everyday choices. Example: Jamie used to rack up $600 on her credit card each month, not even realizing how much small purchases added up. After starting a budget, she cut her spending in half and started paying down her debt aggressively. 3. Reveals wasteful spending. Imagine reallocating that money, $1,800, into a savings account or towards a family vacation. Suddenly, those small choices can lead to bigger rewards. Identifying your spending can unlock future opportunities. Patterns. By taking a closer look at our habits, we can make informed decisions that enhance our financial well-being. It's about transforming awareness into action, ensuring that every dollar spent aligns with our goals for a more fulfilling future. Fear sets you up for goals. Budgeting isn't just about constraints. It's a powerful tool that empowers you to reach your dreams and aspirations. Budgeting creates opportunities. By meticulously planning your finances, you can allocate funds for a new home, exciting trips, or even a stress-free retirement. It's not merely about limiting expenses, it's about making your financial dreams a reality. Embrace budgeting and transform your life today. 5. Reduces stress. Understanding your financial situation allows you to make informed decisions, paving the way for a more secure future. Embrace a budgeting strategy that meets your needs and reduces stress. Having a clear budget empowers you to face financial challenges head-on. By taking control of your finances through budgeting, you can transform uncertainty into confidence, leading to a more peaceful and fulfilling life. Ultimately, financial stability is within your reach when you actively manage your resources with intention and foresight. Step-by-step budgeting guide. Let's walk through building a budget from scratch. Step 1. Know your net income. This is the amount you'll actually spend, the reality of your financial situation. This is your net earnings. Understanding your take-home pay is crucial to managing your budget effectively. Always consider your expenses and savings against this more accurate reflection of your income. In the end, your financial health depends on how well you plan around these real numbers. Example, if you earn $4,000 a month but taxes and benefits reduce that to $3,200, use $3,200. Step 2. List all your expenses. Break them down. Fixed, rent, insurance, subscription. Variable, groceries, gas, entertainment. Occasional, gifts, car repairs, medical. Look at 2 to 3 months of bank statements for accuracy. Step 3. Set spending limits by category. Now assign amounts to each category. Don't forget to include savings and investments as categories too. Example, rent, $1,200. Groceries, $400. Gas, $200. Entertainment, $150. Emergency fund, $300. Roth IRA, $200. Miscellaneous, $250. Total, $2,700. With $500 left over, you now have buffer room. Step 4. Track and adjust weekly. Use tools like YNAB, You Need a Budget, Mint, Good Old Excel, or pen and paper, adjust where needed. Life isn't static, your budget shouldn't be either. Real-life budget transformation. Let me tell you about David. David was making $50,000 a year but constantly broke. No savings. Credit card debt growing. After 3 months of budgeting, paid off $1,500 of credit card debt, saved $1,000 for emergencies, cut impulse spending by 70%. It wasn't magic. It was a system, his budget. Or Olivia, a single mom with 2 kids. She thought she could never get ahead. Budgeting helped her. Meal prep and save $250 a month on food. Reduce utility bills by becoming more energy efficient. Start a college fund for her kid. These are normal people. Their secret wasn't more income, it was better management. Budgeting myths busted. Let's bust a few myths. Myth: budgets are restrictive. Truth is, when you have a budget, each dollar is accounted for, allowing you to enjoy your spending fully. In essence, a budget transforms the way you think about money, turning what once felt like restrictions into opportunities for exploration and enjoyment, promoting financial wellness and confidence in your spending decisions. Embrace the freedom that comes with a well-crafted budget. Myth 2: I don't make enough money to budget. Truth is, budgeting isn't just beneficial, it's essential for maximizing your financial resources, ensuring that every penny is utilized effectively and purposefully. Each dollar counts towards your goals. In conclusion, by adopting a budgeting mindset, you empower yourself to make informed decisions, build savings, and ultimately achieve greater financial stability and freedom. Start today because every dollar truly matters. Myth 3: budgets are complicated. Embrace the journey and take that crucial first step today. Starting is key. Perfection is an unrealistic standard that can paralyze progress. Instead, focus on the act of beginning, for it is through action that you will discover your true potential. Each small effort builds momentum, leading to greater achievements over time, so just begin. If you want to build wealth, reduce stress, and gain control of your money, it all starts with a budget. You now have the tools. You understand the why and the how. Don't wait. Start budgeting this week. Even if it's messy at first, keep going. Your financial future depends on it. Thanks for watching Smart Dollar Mindset. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it.